The initial screen sets up with characters and series, subject area, publisher, storyteller, etc. We can look at any one of these to find what we're looking for. We can also look for books, podcasts, songs, speech, and story. One of the really nice things about Tales to Go is not only does it have lots of audio books, but we also have a huge amount of historical speeches that are very important that you can listen to for history classes or English classes, or if you just really want to hear some of them. I do know there are several Apollo 11 recordings. I know they're just great recordings to listen to. In order to start my search, I'm going to come down here to characters and series, just because it's the first one. This will give me a collection of everything happening. Now, this service is a K through 12 service, so you may find things that are just a little bit too easy for some of the high school kids, but some of the high school students may want to share with their younger siblings who are learning to read. We have this huge list of characters and areas, and I'm going to start out with the Assassin's Creed novels. Possibly someone will be interested in Assassin's Creed novels here. So if I click on this link, it'll come through what we have. We have an entire series of Assassin's Creed novels that you can listen to at your leisure here. If I click on Last Descendants, the first in the series, it will immediately start playing. If I want to make sure I can access this on other devices, I can save bookmark or set as favorite. Essentially, they work the same. You can just choose which you want to set on. This is broken into 6 segments. They're not necessarily broken down by chapter, but just segments. It'll also give us the entire length of this book. This audiobook is 1 hour and 27 minutes long to listen to segment 1. And if I
Chapter 5. His grandparents.
As I go through, you'll see the segments change. Each segment is approximately an hour and a half, so our total book here is about 9 hours of listening. If you were interested to read through, or listen through, I should say, the entire Assassin's Creed novel books, you have that access right here. We can also use the search function if we're looking for something specific. I had mentioned Apollo 11, so I'll search for Apollo 11. And here's the onboard recordings that I was mentioning. These are audio clips, and here we can see the duration. So this is a 6-minute clip, a 12-minute clip, and so on. This service is fantastic for using audiobooks to listen while you're on the go. If you're on a run and want to listen to a book, if you're taking a drive in your car, or if you just want to hang out in your room and listen to something while you just to increase your exposure to other literature here. I hope you find Tales to Go easy to use and friendly. Please check it out.